Sunday's precise and important news. Tens of projects implemented in Bamiyan. Officials of the Rural Rehabilitation and Development Department of Bamiyan say that tens of projects worth 146 million Afghanis have been implemented this year with the financial support of national and international organizations in different parts of the said province. Baghlan woman gives birth to quadruplets. A woman of Baghlan province has given birth to quadruplets in a private hospital of the subs area of Kabul. According to health personnel, all of the babies are in good health. Group of 5 armed robbers arrested in Kabul. A group of 5 armed robbers was arrested in Kabul by the 18th Security District Police. The Kabul police added that the members of the gang were involved in armed robberies in different areas of Kabul city. Complete security has been ensured in Kabul. Kabul citizens expressed their gratitude from the good behavior of the employees of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan and added that they are 100% satisfied with the officials of Islamic Emirate. Moreover, complete security is ensured and citizens can travel anywhere 24/7 without any worries. A child rescued from the clutches of kidnappers. The officials of Sarkhurd district of Nangarhar say security forces have rescued a child from the clutches of kidnappers in Sayaf Familo. According to officials, a man was arrested in connection with this incident. Border police seized 90,000 USD at Spin Boldak crossing. The border police of Afghanistan prevented the smuggling of 90,000 USD dollars in the merge of Spin Boldak. In addition, 2 people were arrested in connection with it and further investigation is ongoing about the incident. ACB officials attended the Asia Cricket Council's members meeting in Bahrain. Afghanistan Cricket Board's chairman Mr. Mirwais Ashraf and the CEO Mr. Nasib Khan, alongside representatives from other member countries, participated in the Asia Cricket Council's member meeting that took place in Bahrain today.